What is decommissioning provision? Here is an example. Company B built an oil rig in their day-to-day operations, for example, nuclear contamination. In other words, Company B operated the asset and emits pollutants. If the government requires the company to clean up the asset in the future and restore the site in 10 years, then Company B needs to recognize this liability in the financial statements. So decommissioning provision is to estimate of the costs of removing a fixed asset and restoring the site. There are two types of decommissioning provision, including legal and constructive. A provision is measured at the company's best estimate of the future cleanup costs. Making the estimate may require specialized knowledge of environmental issues. When a company acquires certain types of long-term assets, it sometimes has an obligation to remove these assets after the end of their useful lives and restore the site.